This is Alexander Vera for week 9, CIS113M. For this week's lab, we were to go to Lucidchart and basically make a flow chart for the database or the tables that we did last week. Um, each table I created is present in the flow chart with bread, pancakes, cake, and omelet. And then I've created 4 additional tables to show the inner joins, the right joins, the left joins, and the full joins. I'm not exactly sure if it's represented correctly. Um, if I go over here, what did I want to do? I wanted to, export the data. I could. Um, what I was getting to, I could bring up the code for the SQL Plus that I could just plug in. It's actually pretty easy just to create tables on here, assign the keys, the data types, and then just plug it into a text file and then do the SQL Plus, just add it. So this saves a lot of time versus just plugging, typing it in bit by bit or piece by piece. Uh, so when it came to showing how much could be pulled from one table, meaning if you could pull what what the flow of data was from one table to another, whether it was at least one or zero to many or one to many. I think on that part I messed up on the going from the joins to the actual recipe tables, because we're not pulling data from the joins to the bread tables. We're pulling data from the breads to the join tables. Um, so at this end, it would be 0 to 1 or 0 to many, because you would need if they didn't match through whatever search, then you wouldn't pull any. Uh, or you could pull, all of them if it did match. Um, Here you have the data types. As for the primary and full keys, I think I should have filled those out the same as I have on the recipe tables as for the join tables, but uh, yeah, fill that in. Yeah, this week was pretty fun. Not that difficult. It's actually pretty neat and pretty cool. So yeah, thank you.